Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States what? Customer States, I stripped out one of my bed bolts. Please check and advise. You know what? Say no more. We're going to look around your vehicle. We'll see. We got an aftermarket oil filter right there. Brake fluid. It's looking good. We got an original OEM battery there. That's good. We're going to have to do a little topping off with the washer fluid there. Engine air filter. It is clean. Any leaks found? Nope. Not bad. Well, guys, I think I bit off a little more than I could chew, but we're going to handle it just right. Because look at what I have off of this car. We had to take the bed off. Why? Well, out of the 6 bolts, or the 6 holes with the threads in them, this guy right here is all stripped out. So we took the bed out, so now I got all this room to work with. I gotta try and get this nut that's welded to the frame out of the frame, and then put another nut in there. Hopefully without damaging anything. So yeah, guys, now it's the best time to replace the charcoal canister. It's right there. But we're not doing that. I gotta blast this nut out somehow and get a new one on there. And that's an unfortunate giggity. So let's get into it. Well, guys, we got some good news. We blasted that nut right out. So that's good. I had to hit it this way with the air chisel, hit it this way with the air chisel to shock it, and then stuck my poker right here, right through this hole, and just went broke it free. So now I got to figure out how am I going to hold a nut there with the bed on with all this crap in the way. I'm going to have to try and snake my hand in here somehow. Really don't want to weld because we're right next to the gas tank. Maybe a little JB weld? No. I still need to get a wrench on it to hold it in place. Like, I could probably hold it in place right here with a finger or something like that, you know what I mean? Like, just hold the nut right there, but I'm not going to have all this room right here because the freaking bed's going to be installed. So I got to do some thinking here. I got to figure out how am I going to do that. I don't know, it'll be in the next part of this video, but what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. How would you approach this? How would you guys do this repair? Would you do it this way, or would you take the gas tank out? Would you take both the gas tank out and the bed out? Well, I'm going to put my thinking cap on. So, yeah. Wonderful. Well, alright guys. We got the nut out. We had to install some steel weld there to just really keep it in place. Because once we start the bolt and start tight, I'll be able to tighten it all the way and torque it to spec. But I did notice something here, guys. If you look in here, we got some FIFO action. Just when I thought I was out, they pull me right back in. We got FIFO action. He's chilling in the frame. How's that side? No, we're all right over there. But he's mainly over here. I don't see any damage to this harness, so that's good. Is he chilling on top of the fuel pump? No, I don't see any debris there or anything. I just see a bunch of chewed acorns right here. So I don't know if he's still living in here, but he was definitely living in there at one point. Alright, well, we're ready to put back the bed on, which is just hanging out on the forklift. So let's get it on. Well, alright guys, we got the bed on, and it's all torqued down to specifications. Very good. You know what, while we're down here, let's look around a little bit. Oh, look at that hardware. No longer identifies as hardware. Well, maybe that one just a little bit. That one, down here, no leaks. Pretty good. That hardware is looking good. The flanges aren't, though. How's this side? Yeah, a little bit of flavor. Not that bad. The hardware there is a little ugly. Back here, yeah, we got a little bit of flavor, but it's not that bad. Not that bad. Alright. Very good, guys. If you don't know what to do, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.